So in today's video we're going to see about the while loop. While loop, it is an same as a for loop, but as I have shown you in the previous video. So let's run our code for while loop. To run the while loop code, we have to give some int a equals to 1 I have given, and then we'll write the while. After while, we have to give the semicolon and then a variable till. Suppose I want to print the while loop till 10 time, then see out the message, see out hello. I have written the hello, and then semicolon, and every time you have to increase, I have to do the increment. So I have written a plus plus 2 time, and then semicolon. Let's run the code. See, it has printed 10 time. This is the while loop. While loop, it is the same as a for loop. There are three type of loop: while loop, do while loop, for loop. So in older days, the people used to use the while loop, and for loop it is our latest in every programming language. But it's depend upon you what do you want to use. Some of them use the while loop, for loop, or do while loop. So in next video we're going to see about the do while loop. So hope you have liked this video. For more video, subscribe to my channel.